Hello everyone, my name is Lita Ebers and I will be presenting you with the CBRE Industrial Market View data. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe and we look forward to seeing you next year live. Just want to get started by saying that the industrial has been one of the most resilient real estate sectors during the COVID-19 crisis. The Buffalo market continues its low trend with an overall availability rate of 2.5%. This is a slight drop from last year's number at 2.6%. This resulted in over 500,000 square feet being absorbed in the Buffalo market. We like to take a look at the region as a whole and see how we compare to other markets surrounding us. We again this year are below that regional average at 2.5%. Pittsburgh is at 6.5%. Rochester is at 5.7%, Cleveland is at 3.7%, and Albany remains right there with us at 2.7%. The average sales price for industrial properties is based on buildings built post 1950, 10,000 square feet and up. Last year's number was $38.38 per square foot. This year's number is $46.37. That is a huge increase and we are not surprised by this number, for warehouses are selling for over asking and selling quick. We're also seeing lease rates increase by $2 a square foot. We're seeing numbers in the $7 to $9 range, triple net. Now we get into proposed construction and the construction that was built this past year. And unfortunately, there was only about 230,000 square feet built last year, but we are seeing a huge number for proposed construction for 2021 at 1.3 million. That is mainly going to be spec buildings from 50,000 to 150,000 square feet with 30-foot clear heights, which is what the occupiers are looking for these days. We are standing in a 300,000 square foot warehouse in Tonawanda. We were able to secure a tenant for this space. They are a third-party logistics group by the name of Gemco, and they are in here occupying, operating, and we had only one other option for them, and that was for them to stay where they were before and expand. And this happened very quickly. This building was not on the market. We are thrilled to see them here and we are excited to be part of the process, but that is just an example of the lack of inventory and the demand that exists. Uniland Development, however, just recently announced that they will be building 150,000 square feet spec at the Bethlehem Steel site. So that is great news for Buffalo. So the last part of this presentation will include where we see the demand and what we see coming ahead. The demand lies in third-party logistics like this one here, which reverse logistics is driving their demand. E-commerce, big one. We learned that 1 billion in e-commerce sales generates 1.25 million square feet of warehouse demand. Huge. Self-storage, strong buyer for old manufacturing buildings. They're continuously out there looking. We're seeing that there's record high lease rates, record high sales prices. Those will continue to creep up a little bit. We want to believe that they're tapped out, but we think they're probably could go up a little bit more. We're going to see retail to industrial conversions escalate in 2021. And customer reach and logistics networks will dictate where e-commerce occupiers locate. So robust development will continue for 2021 and 2022, which will create a competitive environment for the Buffalo market, and we are excited to see this come to fruition. And hope to be a part of the process. We want to thank you for taking the time to tune in, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.